I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, guess that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me, and I wish somebody would've it, should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, guess that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. Man, that baggage is heavy. Baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Jag kollar dig hela tiden. Hej, hej. Nu ska jag zooma in dig lite så att jag kommer närmare dig. Då kan du säga hej mamma.
Hej mamma.
Hej pappa.
Hej pappa.
I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew Welcome back, Z-World, to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today on this beautiful, warm Sunday. This is Life in California / Living in America. So today I wanted to do something very special, something that, doesn't require a lot of thought process. So I grabbed a few snacks, I grabbed a towel, and I took myself to the beach. I'm so happy because I love being half naked, firstly, because I don't like wearing a lot of clothes, a lot of tight, restricting clothes. I love walking barefooted and just relaxing by the sun. So being at the beach is the best way to get all of those. Like, you have no excuse but to do everything I just mentioned. So I am at the beach, I'm stretching, I'm relaxing, resetting, self-care. Guys, who said self-care has to cost you money? Self-care can just be a simple walk to the beach, or walk to the park, or reading your favorite book, or maybe cooking your favorite meal. That's self-care. That's just putting you first, your feelings first, and just enjoying the process. So I hope you enjoyed this Reset Sunday with me, and I hope I inspire you to do something. Do a little something for yourself. Whatever it is, do it. Z-World, y'all know how much I love stretching my body. You know why? Because I love my body so much. So I make sure that it's feeling good every day, every morning. I give it what it needs. I eat good food. I rest, and let's shout out my husband, because he's the one that really got me into stretching and really taking it seriously. I knew that people should stretch, but I only thought stretching is necessary for when you are doing sports, for when you are running, playing basketball, or some type of activity. But I did not know that stretching should be a lifestyle. You should stretch every morning before you go to work, before you do anything, and at night you sleep sound. Let me tell you, stretching is important. It also helps with your brain functionality. You become smarter, trust me. Z-World, the sand feels so nice and warm and soft. So of course I'm gonna play with it and have fun. And yeah, I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching. It is just me, myself, and I. Reset Sunday, guys. Have fun.
World, I wish I could fix my posture right here. The way I'm sitting, slouching, it's a no-no. But you know, I think when you are sitting slouching and you are not sitting straight and your spine is not straight, that like upsets your chakras, because you need to be balanced for your chakras to be balanced and your energy is flowing right, everything is flowing right. So that means my energy right now is just stuck in my body. It's not flowing right because I'm slouching. So next time, remember guys, sit up straight. Make sure your spine is, you know, straight. No, let's sit up straight and have good posture. All right, Z World. Anyway, I'm enjoying my snacks, enjoying the scenery, watching people walk around. People are so kind over here. People are just greeting me, waving. Just very, you know, California, people living their Californian life. I'm happy to be here. Thank you, Z World, for joining me. Guys, don't mind me. I'm hearing music in my head. Lapo, there's no music playing, but somewhere in my head I'm hearing a song. So I had to chiga. I know.
Run 'em. Yeah, just run 'em. I'm on the mezzanine. I go so hard just to fuck up my enemies. Don't need revenge, success is the remedy. Ain't for the top, I'ma do 'em like Kennedy. Mixing champagne with their Hennessy. They falling off, all these niggas is winning leads. Life gave me limits, I came out with simply. Look, I don't associate, no, we can't congregate. Focus like number 8, my shit is infinite. Move out the trauma, my therapist healing it, Know that you feeling it, I'm just too weird with this, Came with the bass and I'm slapping you niggas, I feel like I'm willing this, Look, stuck in the kill them all at the top of my bucket list. None of you on my fucking list. I go so hard when I come like this. Look, yeah, I go hard and I run up the numbers. Grinding the winter to fuck up the summer. Telling you niggas beware that I'm coming. Coming from the bottom, now stepping on the neck. I've been working, I've been grinding. I need all of my respect. Get it, dollars, yen, euros. Now really cash it, check. Mezzanine is on the day. Mezzanine is on the day. Coming from the bottom, now stepping on the neck. I've been working, I've been grinding. I need all of my respect. Get it, dollars, yen, euros. Now really cash it, check. Mezzanine is on the day. Mezzanine is on the day. Tell them that I'm coming like who I've been coming. Numbers I've been running, I've been up to something. Never run from nothing, gotta keep it jumping. Make sure these is bumping my I go too hard on the used to be late on the rent. Used to make dollars and cents. Now all the figures are 6. Yeah, tell them other rap, better keep quiet. When they got a piece, gets it get violent. Always got mine, cause it come try it. Yeah, stepping away from the bottom feeders. It just me on my album, don't need a feature. Couldn't walk in my shoes, not a kilometer, not a centimeter. Coming from the bottom, now stepping on the neck. I've been working, I've been grinding. I need all of my respect. Get it, dollars, yen, euros. Now really cash it, check. Mezzanine is on the day. Mezzanine is on the day. Coming from the bottom, now stepping on the neck. I've been working, I've been grinding. I need all of my respect. Get it, dollars, yen, euros. Now really cash it, check. Mezzanine is on the day. Mezzanine is on the day. I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm that. Look in the mirror like, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the casinos. I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing on these. They getting they feeling and dragged down. That's why they just crash out. Stuck in the cell and this man down. Life getting gone in a flash now. Fitting in, I'ma stand out. I done seen these crash out. They some baby boys, I'm the man now. They was questioning, make them fans now. I'm the best in my league and that's hands down. Understand now, got plans now, got big dreams. Now that, got big schemes since 16s, hot 16s. I started broke, then I fixed things. I been king, I been him. My bad, my whip clean. I been hot, that's benzene. You been not, that's cold stream. That's cold things, that's cold things. I'm motivated like Kobe. These don't know me, it's my time, check. I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm that. Look in the mirror like, damn it, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the casinos. I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing on these. They getting they feeling and dragged down. That's why they just crash out. Stuck in the cell and this man down. Life getting gone in a flash now. Fitting in, I'ma stand out.
Thank you so much for joining me, ZWorld. I appreciate you taking the time to enjoy this Sunday reset with me. Now, make sure you go and do something that you like, something that makes you feel relaxed and loved. And make sure you come back for more. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye.